Good morning, friends. I am Maruti Sudikeri, your English lecturer. This is introduction class. Today we discuss your basic English syllabus. In in your syllabus, there are mainly three sections. In the first section prose, second section poetry, and third section English activities or English grammar. In first section or in pro section there are sub four lessons are there. The first one, spoken English and broken English, written by GB Shah. In this lesson, GB Shah discussed spoken English and broken English. He gave importance to broken English rather than spoken English. And second lesson, Tiger in the Tunnel, written by Ruskin Bond. And third one, Milka Singh, The Flying Sikh, written by Sonia Sanwalka. And fourth lesson in pro section, On Saying Please by A.G. Gardner. These are the four lessons in prose section. And second section, poetry. In poetry, there are four poems in poetry section. The first one, Once Upon a Time, poem by Gabriel Okara. And this is also a very important poem and also inspirational poem. And second one, The Quality of Mercy by William Shakespeare. In this poem, Shakespeare discussed the quality of mercy. And third poem, La Bella Damson's Mercy, poem by John Keats. And fourth poem in this section, Goodbye Party for Miss Puspa T.S., poem by Nissim Ezekiel. These are the four poetry in poetry section. And third section, grammar section or language activities. In this section, six sub aspects in the grammar section. The first one, use of possessive adjectives and pronouns. Yes, you have to study on possessive adjectives and pronouns. And second section in grammar, correction of sentences. Correction of sentences. This is the second section. And third section, use of negatives. In third section, use of negatives. And fourth section, framing questions with WH words and SR no questions. In this section are framing questions. You have question on WH questions and SR no questions. And fifth one, welcome address and vote of thanks. Okay, you have two aspects. You have to write welcome address and vote of thanks. Last one or sixth one, report writing. You have to write on a report on tour, and you have to written report on student activities, and you have to write a report on news. These are the six aspects in third section or grammar section. Okay, this is your syllabus. Now we discussed about question paper patterns. Yes, in each section they ask question. In first section, prose, you have 25 marks. In second section, poetry, you have 25 marks. And third section, grammar, you have 30 marks. Okay. The first one, 1 mark questions. In 1 mark question, you have 10 questions. You have to answer 10 questions. Each questions carry 1 mark. The question derived from for you from prose and for you from poetry. It means the question asks 4 lessons and the question ask 5 questions on poetry. And next 10 mark or essay type question. You have to write 1 out of 2 in prose and same you have to 1 out of 2 in poetry. This is the 10 mark question. Next, in 5 mark questions you have to answer 2 questions out of 4 in prose section, and again same in poetry section you have to answer 2 questions out of 4 in poetry. Okay, this is 50 marks, and remaining 30 marks they ask on grammar section. In each section, it means you have 6 section. In the 6 sections, they ask question for you. Okay, this is your syllabus. In next class or next video, we shall start first lesson, spoken English and broken English. Thank you.